that moment when you walk into a restaurant and after and you feeling a little nervous, a little nervous. You start to feel a little tingle in your throat as soon as you walk in. Just it's all in your head, but still you can feel it in your throat. That little tingle. A couple minutes pass and nothing has happened yet. You're still alive, so you're thinking, okay, maybe it's all right. And all of a sudden, behind you, you hear a. It's like in a horror movie, is it not? It's like in a horror movie. You're afraid to turn around, so you do the slow turn. Only to find it's an old lady as well, whom is Caucasian, of course. So she is not wearing her mask properly. Absolutely not. She isn't. It's down here, sitting right here. And she is coughing behind you. Your life starts to flash before your eyes. You literally, it feels like you're supposed to fight for your life at this moment. Like when you hear it, you automatically think you should destroy this person. Like this person needs to be destroyed to save humanity. It sends us into this weird place in outer space when we hear this. Now it's like the game has changed, you guys. The game has changed. Coughing is a federal offense now. In public, coughing is a federal offense. Going to a bar used to be just like this whimsical. Hey, it's funny. We take for granted the little things, like getting that random call. Hey girl, let's go to the bar. And your only worries are, if your shoes look right around your ankle with your jeans, like, or, and it just like the simple worries that we used to have. I remember those, like me just having to make up random excuses as to why I did not want to attend. You know, I tell you, I was one of the only people who was not really affected by COVID. In fact, I was affected actually, but in a good way. Like I used to it's not I used to. I've always been funny. I don't like to go out, but I am a social person, so I get invited, you know. But I don't want to. And you can't tell but so many excuses. You can't give but so many excuses to the same person before they start to pick up on, I think this bitch is trying to avoid me, or I think she's lying. How many aunts she's got? Oh my God. I would come up with any excuse until I got to a certain age, and then I was like, fuck it. I'm just gonna say I don't feel like it. I don't wanna. I just started being honest. It's very freeing to just be like, no, bitch. Do you wanna go? No, bitch, I don't. Stop asking. But yeah, it's now, once everything was shut down and nobody could go anywhere, I felt like, welcome to my world. I was like, look, y'all, it's okay. Calm down. You'll learn to love it. You'll learn to love it. Sitting the fuck down is not so fucking bad. Just try it. Just for a little bit. Live life like me. You know, it was a catastrophe for most. It was just like absolute and total freedom for me. Oh, and that's about that. That's my time. Peace.